Hi there, and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. Today, let us work on a skincare brand, Prisma. So let's get started. So Prisma is a skincare brand that offers a range of products for different skin types and needs. Can you guess what kind of branding would this brand need? Since this is a skincare brand, so I think a subtle logo would be more appropriate. Not too loud, not too sharp. A very soft looking logo. Always go for an outline view whenever you want to intersect 2 points. Our first concept is ready. Now let's go for the second concept. Just play around and you will get different kinds of ideas and concepts. And this is how I designed my second concept just by rotating the element. After you finalize your logo, you may encounter something like this. Not to worry, always expand your logo. This way, the weight of your stroke will remain consistent with respect to the size of your logo. Now let's recreate this, but this time with curved edges. These are same concept, but one with curved edge and sharp edge, and one with thick weight and other with thin weight. Now let's work on wordmark logo Prisma. So I love to play around. Here I have created sharp edge, a cornered edge, and 3 to 4 different variations of word mark. And also a secondary logo with a thick weight and a thin weight. Now let's finalize our brand logo. I have selected 2 color palettes and I'll go with the second one. So this is our final brand look. Since this is a skincare brand, I have decided to go with a cornered edge logo to give a very soft and subtle look. I hope you liked today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.